Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to go to guys Lava Mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava Mobile guys lock screen shortcut setting, and today video title guys how to add tags in lock screen. So friends, on lock screen, friends, you want to add any tags on your lock screen, so how to add tags one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all you can subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Lava Mobile phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Lava Mobile. So friends, in your Lava Mobile, scroll it and friends click here Lava Mobile display setting. After display setting friends, scroll it and friends click here lock screen setting. After lock screen setting, friends click here privacy setting, and friends you can on lock screen notification and you can off lock screen notification in your Lava Mobile from here. Friends, you want to show notification on lock screen, you can on, and you don't want to show, so friends click here don't show notification on lock screen. Add tags on lock screen setting friends, click here and get add your tag. So then I will enter my name, and friends you want to add any emojis, so you can add. So friends, I will add these emojis on lock screen. Save. So friends, you can check lock screen. This name will show on lock screen. So like that friends, you want to show tags on lock screen, you want to add locks tags on lock screen, you can add in your Lava Mobile. And friends, you want to change the tags, so again open your phone setting, display setting, lock screen setting, add tags on lock screen, click here and friends remove the tags. Friends, I will add my Lava Mobile. And friends, I will add these emojis. Save. Friends, you can check on lock screen. Lock screen tags will change my Lava Mobile. So like that friends, you want to change, you want to add tags on lock screen, so you can add and you can change lock screen tags. And friends, you don't want to use the tags on your lock screen, so friends you can remove also. Open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, scroll it and friends click here display setting, lock screen setting, add tags on lock screen, click here and remove the tags. After remove, save, and friends off your Lava Mobile screen. And friends, you want to use tags, so friends you cannot use, again you will have to add tags on lock screen, so a tags will remove from lock screen. So like that friends, we can use lock screen shortcut setting in Lava Mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.